world. Well, what is going on, my fine feathered YouTube heads, junkies? I was going to say junkies. That's what I should have said. The heat, I'm telling you, the heat's working on my head, man. Can't think. Wow, you get old, everything changes. There's a song like that, isn't there? Everything changes. Can't think of the band right off. When the camera comes on, I can never think of anything. What are we doing today? Stop rambling. We're going to open a really big, heavy box. I almost doxed the guy right there. Yeah, I don't want to dox him. So, anyways, I might have to edit that out. Got a viewer mail, really heavy, man, and much needed stuff here. I don't know what all, I know what some of it is, but I don't know what all of it is. So let me, I'll just leave you over there, I guess. I'll bring you over here to the box. Well, now I'll get you and bring you over here. And that way, we'll see how it works anyways. Hold on. I'll stop the camera and re-angle it in a minute if I have to. Whoever, I know who sent this, someone can draw really well. I'll try to get that up where you can see it. See the picture of the finger pointing up. And it says, notice, open here, in case you can't see it. There, I think you can. So, yeah, man. Been looking forward to getting this. This is from a YouTube user. Goes by the name of Daveyjo. I already asked him, made sure I could say his name on here. He said it was okay. You see him in the comments a lot. Say hello to him if you see him. Good dude. Cool dude, too. And I don't know how long he's been subscribed to the channel here. There we go. Let me close that knife before I hurt myself. Some of this I do. He says on the other end, beware peanuts. So, oh God, we know what that means. Oh hey, wow. Now these kind of peanuts I don't mind in packing, man. Check that out. I don't mind those kind of peanuts at all, dude. Wow. Alright, let's start with some of the stuff I can reach right here. What is this? Urinary health. Supports a healthy urinary tract. Natural treats for cats. Well, I assume maybe you can give it to dogs too. I don't have any cats, but get naked. I'll show you the pack. That's what it says. On the back here it says right there. Right there it says get naked. Wow. Well, thank you, Daveyjo. I'll have to read on this and find out if you can give it to dogs too, because unless I keep our dogs on that real high diet thing, they say those things like cue ball had a while back can come back, and most likely will come back. We're paying like, anyway, we get 2 cases of dog food each time, and it's like 40 bucks a case, so it's 80 bucks in dog food. Grain-free salmon recipe. Well, wow, that'd be almost good enough for me to eat myself. I'm assuming, okay, I'll just say dog treats. I just had to make sure there, because I love fish, man. Love to eat fish. All right, what do we got now? Something, I think that's just leather. It's got a love note here. It says Daveyjo's bark, tanned deer hide. Best used sassafras and hickory bark. Man, the dude must be able to draw really well. I'll show you here. I don't know if I get that to show up or not. Yeah, I think you can see it. Okay, I thought there was something inside, but I can see right through it, Daveyjo. Well, thank you, man. Yeah. Maybe another one. Okay, what's this say? It says commercial chemical tanned deer hide. Wow. Cool. Check that out, man. I don't know if the camera's getting that or not. It's really smooth, soft. I'll find some uses for that, no doubt, I'm sure. And they're always good for things like, well, like these guitar neck holders. You know, putting them in there to lay your neck down in, and tools. Some tools you can use them on tools. Here's a tool I can use. tongue rectal brush for Earl. Wow, yeah. Earl's going to like this. I'm going to wear it out on him, man. A tongue rectal brush for Earl. Wow, dude, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. So let me tell you what. Well, let me show you this first. Check this out. Wow, this is one of the things I was really looking forward to. Rosewood. It'll make a beautiful fretboard, wouldn't it? Check that out, man. Yes, sir. Just, man, I can't thank you enough for this. Wow, dude. This is going to be put to good use. I guarantee it. I'm going to put this knife up here before I stick it in something we don't want to do. This, I'm not sure what this is. Is that rosewood too? Yeah, it is. A really big piece of rosewood. It looks like I see tool marks in this area here, but you can tell on this end. I think you can tell it. Well, right in here you can see it. You can tell it's rosewood. Some kind of tool, maybe a sander or something worked on that. I'm going to put those right down here right now. There is a lot of stuff in here. I think we have a love letter, an actual love letter. My info for you. I'll check this and see if I can read it to you or not. And then, if I can, I will. So, I don't know. We just have to wait and see. Let me re-angle the camera now, because the rest of the stuff's smaller stuff. I can get it out on the bench here. I'll just point the camera at the bench and we'll get on with it, man. See more rosewood, I think. Yeah, check that out, man. Fretboard City. Wow. A beautiful piece of rose. Another beautiful piece of rosewood. And I think there's another rough cut piece. Yes, indeed there is. Check it out. He told me, when did he tell me he got this? Oh, don't quote me on this. I might be wrong about this. But I think he told me he got this from Martin. And if I remember, I talked to so many of y'all, man. It's so hard to remember everything. I think he told me he got all this rosewood from Martin. And it was either seconds or they wasn't going to use it at all for some reason. I can't remember for sure if he was the one I was talking to and told me that or not. Wow, man, it's no wonder this box was so heavy. This is too cool. Yeah. Turn that puppy on, stick it back in the guitar. It's got a... Let me get the tape off of it. It's got a switch. Whoa, dude, man, that thing is wicked bright. I thought it had different levels. Unbelievable. I've been using this one. I just knocked a bunch of shit off. I've been using this one here. It's pretty bright, but I don't think it's as bright as this one is. No, wow, you're going to be able to see with this puppy. This one I can turn down. I don't know if it felt like the switch feels like it has a dimmer in it. Axe light. Dude, that's going to get used a whole freaking bunch, I'm telling you right now. All the stuff will, guaranteed. I see something right here, going to get a lot of use out of this. Tight Bond Original, that's exactly what I like. I love this stuff, man. I can't buy enough of that stuff. I use it for everything. I gotta check this out. Check out all it cuts, bro. Or brass rack razor saw. Check that out, man. Get the light glare off of it so you can see it. That is just awesome. You know, you could probably, yeah, you could probably use that for a fret slot cutting saw too. Cut fret slots out in that new rosewood he sent me. Check out all it cuts. I'm just looking briefly here. Mitering, slotting, slitting, saw of very delicate parts. I don't see a list on there without reading the whole thing. But I will read it, and you can bet, man, I will. And you can bet it's going to get used, too. Alright, I still see more stuff. And how he got so much stuff in that little box, man. That's a lot of stuff. Scotch Professional Grade green vinyl electrical tape. This is probably, he probably paid it a pretty penny for that. If it's anything like, where is this tape here. This is 3M vinyl tape. Y'all seen me use it before. I think I paid something like 45 bucks or something like that for this. And if this is anything like that, it's probably expensive like that too. There's a shot of it. In fact, I'll just put that down. Well, I'm gonna keep it up here for now. We get a shot of everything before we call it. Alright, still stuff in the box. I just don't know how he got all this stuff into that little box. Pickup magnet. This is going to really be handy because I'm all the time dropping stuff, man. And I can't even see it to pick it up. And then if I can see it, I usually can't get my hands to work to get hold of it. All I have to do if it's metal, just stick that in there and pick it up. Wow, dude, you thought of everything. Man, oh man. Davey, you rock, bud. Watch for Daveyjo in the comments. And give him a big thumbs up. Tell him hello. And then we're not done yet. Alright, what do we got? Mint craft. 5 extra blades included. Folding utility knife. Check this thing out, man. This is an old historical thing I use whenever I need a knife like this. Well, now I've got this. Thank you, Daveyjo. You rock and roll, dude. Wow. I want to get into those peanuts. I mean, like right now. Alright, what else we got here? Something else. Maybe a file set. This is more blades for that knife right there. Okay, I'll give you a shot of it. More blades for the knife. And files. 6-piece needle rasp file set. Now there's something that will also get quite a bit of usage. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Try to lay everything where you can see it all. You want to get a picture of everything before this is over. There's still stuff in the box, man. We're nearing the end, but alright, what it is. Pro Mask. Masking tape. You know what, I'm going to rip that off of there and see. Oh, I can see it there, it's green. Yeah, well, I'm colorblind. You can probably see it on the camera that it's green. I just want to see what color it was. Good stuff. I'm going to put it with the tape yet. Put it up here. Put it with the tape when I put it away. Alright, one more piece, I think. I'm trying to hold the box where I can see down in there where the light was shining. Well, letter safe for public. Now I'm assuming this other letter probably is not safe for public. Anyways, look at this first. What is it? He wrote something on it, if I can figure out how to hold it. For Randy, the house that never sleeps. Hands off Earl. I hear you, man. And it is a unibit. I can't read it because where he wrote over top of it, but it's like a tapered bit. That's what it is. You know, I was looking at these online just, man, like yesterday. I was looking at them. So now I have one. I don't have to look anymore. It says the size there, but it's an 1/8 inch. Just something. I can't see it where he wrote on there. But, wow. Yeah, man, that'll get used too. You can bet. Alright. Letter safe for public. It's got a big heart on it. I think maybe you can see the heart. See what it says. So I'm assuming I can read you this. This other letter, my info for you. I'll pause the camera and look at that. If I can read it, I'll bring you back. It's a big long letter. Let me just, I'm going to pause the camera and read this. And then I'll get you, bring you over here, and we'll scan the whole letter. And you can pause the video and read it that way. It's pretty long. It's wrote on both sides, as you see here, and on the back. So let me pause the camera and read it, and then I think it's okay to show you this one. And I'll check the other one too to see if I can show you it. Hold on, bring you right back. Hold on. Alright, I'm going to hold this still as I can. I have image stabilizer on. And you can just pause and read that. And I'm going to move down. You can pause and read that. Move on down. Pause and read that. And on down. Get it in the frame. You can read that. And I like how he, if someone wants to talk to me, how he says over and hold on. Let me turn it over for you and check out the back side. Alright, let me get straight on it here. There you go. You can pause the camera there. And there. Says they call him Daveyjo because he makes the best cup of joe. It was on the other side of the paper. I forget what river he said. And we'd be friends. I love coffee, man. Drink a bunch of coffee. Me and the wife both do. So here's a shot. Let me move the love letter. There's a shot of all the goodies. Wow, I can't even fit it in the screen, man. It's so big. I can just barely fit it all in there. One of the treats packages fell back in there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. Yeah, maybe you can. There it is. It's like Earl, it's hiding. Daveyjo, you rock and roll, man. I do not know how you got all this stuff in that box. And then we have the rosewood, too. I should have put that up here. Just wow, man. Everything you see here will be used. You guys are awesome. You people that send me stuff, I'll just thumbs up to you and peace to you. I wish you all the very best. Daveyjo, thank you so much, man. Daveyjo, you rock, brother. I'm telling you, man, you rock and roll. Let me show you this rosewood one more time under that light. This is just beautiful wood, man. Look at that. I would like that the light doesn't glare so bad. Maybe you can see the grain. Wow. Yes, sir. This stuff is going to get put to good use. It's hard to find any kind of rosewood, whether Martin rejected it or, you know, whatever. You can't even find the stuff and buy it anymore, let alone get it from overseas. That's just a gorgeous piece of wood right there. He planed those two for me. I remember him telling me that. I lost it, man. I've lost it already. Keep on playing that side of that one. Check that out. Wow. That's some unique grain right there. Hope the camera's picking that up. Very unique grain for rosewood. There's the rough side. Yes, sir. Incredible stuff. And here's a great big rough piece. Rosewood City. Unbelievable. Like a beautiful fretboard. Wow, I am just blown away here. I'm telling you, man, I'm blown away like a kid at Christmas time. I just don't know what to think of all of this. I'm going to get into them nuts. I'm going to cut you off here now, and I've got to get into those nuts. I've got to get into them quick, man. You get me a beer, I'm going to sit down and eat about half of that bag. Wow, look at all that stuff. Thanks for watching, folks. Cheers to you. Daveyjo, cheers to you, man. I wish you all the best. You just rock and roll. Wow, I'm just blown away. I don't know what to say. Cheers. Thank you, man. Thank all of you for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days or so. Maybe sooner than that. Cheers. Found this right outside my doorstep this morning. Right outside the, I mean, just out one step out the door, man. Sliding glass door. He was laying there. He's a good snake now. Bastard. What do you think, Joe?
You can't touch it.
No, you can't touch it.
No, with my foot.